Hey everyone, thanks for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect. We got a 2008 Volkswagen Touareg VR6, fresh trade-in, 134,000 miles. We just serviced it. It drives really good. The customers who owned the car originally had it for 15 years, and they took really good care of it, put a ton of money in it, got like brand new Bridgestone tires on it. Drives really well. Check out the inside as well. And this is the VR6, so it's the 6-cylinder engine. You can see it's definitely clean. With a nice sunroof. A little bit of wear over here, but besides that's kind of common on these over the years. And we have 134,786 on the clock. Startup. Has cold air. See, this is a little faded, but the radio does work. If this is something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout. 228-438-2056. You could call us or text us, or check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have a car like this and you need some repair work done, Volkswagen, Audi, Porsche, or other luxury vehicle, foreign or domestic, definitely give us a shout. Thanks for checking out this vehicle.